In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add watchers in Jira. Whether you're a seasoned Jira user or just getting started, this is a handy feature to know, especially if you want to keep a close eye on project updates or specific tasks without having to check in manually all the time. Let's begin by heading over to the Jira website. If you're not already familiar with it, Jira is a powerful tool used for project management and tracking tasks, issues, and projects in an organized manner. Once on the Jira homepage, you'll need to log in. If you're like most users and prefer the ease of integrating services, click on the Google option to sign in with your Google account. This step not only streamlines your access but also adds a layer of convenience and security. After successfully logging in, navigate to your Jira board. This is essentially your project dashboard where you can view all the ongoing tasks and issues related to your projects. It's the centerpiece of your project management efforts, allowing you to prioritize tasks, assign work, and track progress. Once on the board, the next step is to locate the specific issue or task that you want to monitor. Clicking on it will open the issue details page, giving you a comprehensive look at all the linked information, including comments, work logs, and more. Up in the top right corner of this page, you'll notice an eye icon. This is your gateway to staying updated on the specific task. By clicking on this eye icon, you're initiating what is known as watching the issue. This feature is incredibly helpful as it allows you to receive notifications about any changes, progress updates, or discussions happening around that particular task. Once you click the eye icon, a prompt should appear, giving you the option to start watching. Click on this option to finalize the process. Now you've effectively added yourself as a watcher to this issue, meaning you will receive timely updates about any changes or activities related to it. This feature is particularly useful if you're collaborating with a team and need to stay updated on certain aspects of a project without having to manually dive into every detail. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you now know how to stay informed on important issues within your Jira projects with ease. The Watcher feature in Jira is a powerful tool for anyone needing to maintain oversight or remain updated on key tasks without overwhelming their inbox. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this tip useful in managing your projects effectively.